Here's the shocking truth about why 90% of real estate agents quit in just 2 years, and it's not what you think. If you're watching this video, chances are you're either struggling to keep up with leads, working crazy hours without seeing the results you want, or you're curious about what separates the agents who make it from those who don't. I'm about to share something that completely changed how I look at real estate success, and by the end of this video, you'll understand exactly why most agents fail and how you can avoid becoming part of that statistic. Everyone blames the market, competition, or lack of leads. I hear it all the time. The market's too tough right now. There's too much competition. I can't generate enough leads. But after working with hundreds of agents over the past 5 years, from brand new licensees to million-dollar producers, I discovered something that completely shattered these assumptions. The real reason agents fail has nothing to do with getting leads. In fact, some of the most successful agents I know started with fewer leads than the ones who quit. So what's the real difference? Before we dive in, if you're a real estate professional who's tired of losing premium leads to agents with better systems, make sure to watch the next video linked in the description below after this one ends. It's not about getting leads, it's about what happens after you get them. Let me tell you about a luxury agent in Miami who perfectly illustrates this problem. She gets 20 high-end leads every single month. That sounds amazing, right? Most agents would kill for those numbers. But here's the reality. She is working 70 hours a week. She's missing her kids' soccer games and family dinners. And despite all that effort, she's still losing deals to competitors who seem to close effortlessly. Why is this happening to someone who should be crushing it? Because she is stuck in what I call follow-up hell. Picture her typical day. She starts at 6 a.m., checking her spreadsheets, trying to remember who she called yesterday, what they said, and when she needs to follow up. She's sending generic, just checking in emails that get ignored. She's playing phone tag with prospects who were hot last week but are now giving her the cold shoulder. Meanwhile, her tech-savvy competitors are using AI systems that never sleep, never forget, and always know exactly what to say at exactly the right time. Here's what's actually killing most agents, and this might hit close to home. They spend 20 hours a week on follow-ups that don't convert. Think about that. That's half a full-time job just on follow-up activities that aren't bringing in deals. While they're drowning in manual tasks, 70% of their premium leads go cold within 48 hours because they simply can't keep up with the volume and timing required for effective nurturing. Every missed follow-up is money walking out the door. In luxury real estate, that's not just a few $100s. That's $50,000 in commission vanishing because you were too busy or forgot to call someone back. Let's do some quick math. If you're losing just 2 high-end deals per month due to poor follow-up, that's $100,000 in annual income you're leaving on the table. Over 2 years, that's $200,000, enough to completely change your financial situation. But it's not just about the money. It's about the stress, the burnout, the feeling like you're constantly behind. She told me she was ready to quit the business entirely because she felt like she was failing despite working harder than ever. The agents who survive and thrive, they figured out the secret that she eventually learned too. They automate the repetitive, time-consuming tasks so they can focus on what actually closes deals, having meaningful conversations with qualified prospects. Take Robert, another client of mine in Phoenix. He went from closing 8 deals a year to 47 deals in just 18 months. His secret wasn't getting more leads. He was actually working with fewer total leads than before. The difference? He set up systems that automatically nurture prospects, track engagement, and tell him exactly when someone is ready to have a conversation. Or consider Jennifer in Austin, who used to spend her weekends writing follow-up emails and updating her CRM. Now, she spends weekends with her family, while her AI systems handle the initial nurturing, and she only gets involved when prospects are genuinely ready to move forward. Here's what these successful agents understand that most don't. First, timing is everything in real estate. The agents who respond fastest don't just get more leads, they get better quality conversations because they're catching people when interest is highest. Second, consistency beats intensity. It's better to have a simple system that follows up with every lead consistently than a complex system you use sporadically. Third, personalization at scale is possible. You don't have to choose between automated efficiency and personal touch. The best systems give you both. The technology exists right now to automate your initial follow-ups, track prospect behavior, score lead quality, and notify you exactly when someone is ready for a human conversation. You can literally have prospects raising their hands, saying, "I'm ready to talk," instead of you chasing people who aren't interested. If you're a real estate professional who's tired of losing premium leads to agents with better systems, I want to help you change that. I've created a detailed training that shows you exactly how to set up AI follow-up systems that work around the clock, even while you sleep. You'll see the specific tools successful agents are using, the follow-up sequences that actually convert, and how to implement this without any technical expertise. A link is in the description below, or you can watch the next video that should be appearing on your screen right now. Don't let another month go by wondering what might have been if you just followed up better. The agents who act on this information will be the ones still standing in 2 years, while others become part of that 90% statistic. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.